What if I told you that some of the things you've believed your whole life are actually completely wrong? These could be things you learned at school, heard from your family, or just never questioned because everyone says them. In this video, I'm going to share 5 things you think are true, but actually aren't. I'm pretty sure at least one of them will make you say, wait, I've believed this for years? So if you're ready, let's jump right in, because the first one is something we all say all the time. Number 1. Humans only use 10% of their brain. You've probably heard this before. It sounds incredible, right? Like there's some hidden power inside you, just waiting to be unlocked. But the truth is, this is completely false. Almost all of the brain is actively working at different times of the day. When you're talking, certain areas are active. When you're walking, different areas kick in. When you're daydreaming, completely different parts take over. If 90% of our brain were really sitting there unused, it wouldn't make any sense, from an evolutionary point of view, for us to carry around an organ that consumes so much energy. So why does this myth spread so easily? Because it sells hope. The idea of unlocking your potential sounds amazing. But sorry, we don't have superpowers. The good news is this: your brain is already doing way more than you think. Number 2. Black holes suck everything in. When you hear the term black hole, what comes to mind? A giant space vacuum cleaner? But black holes don't randomly swallow everything. Yes, their gravity is extremely strong. But that gravity depends on mass. If you replace the sun with a black hole that had the same mass, Earth would still orbit it in almost the same way. So yes, black holes are scary, but not in the way you think. Definitely not a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Number 3. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. Actually, it strikes the same place many times. Especially tall and pointed structures, like skyscrapers and towers. So the idea of, it struck once, so it must be safe now, is not safe at all. Number 4. Einstein failed math. This story is a favorite on motivation pages. Einstein failed math, but look at what he achieved. Sounds great, right? But it's wrong. Einstein didn't fail math, he was actually very good at it. In fact, he was interested in advanced math topics at a young age. So where did this myth come from? From misinterpreting old grading systems, and from the fact that people love the story of the genius but lazy student. In short, the secret behind Einstein's success wasn't failing math, it was that he never gave up trying. Number 5. Fish only have a 3-second memory. This is a bit unfair to goldfish. Goldfish can learn, remember routines, and they can even recognize feeding time. Their memory definitely isn't 3 seconds long. This myth comes from underestimating animals. And let's be honest, sometimes fish can be more attentive than we are. As you can see, misinformation usually spreads not because people are stupid, but because it sounds very logical. If there was something in this video that made you say, wow, I can't believe I actually believe this, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more.